Hello everyone, I am Heman Bhatt and I'm a consultant with Encryption Consulting. In this video, I will be talking about the high-level architecture of Intune. Microsoft Intune product family is one of the major components. It comprises Intune Suite, Windows Autopilot, Microsoft Configuration Manager, Intune Data Warehouse, Log Analytics, Microsoft Intune Service, Microsoft Entra ID, Mobile Threat Defense Connector, Microsoft Tunnel, and Endpoint Analytics. There are other components as well. These are apps and app stores, Windows Update, Network Access Control Partner, Web Console, Mobile Application Management and Mobile Device Management, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. This is the high-level architecture diagram of Intune available on Microsoft website. First, we'll talk about Microsoft Intune Service. The Microsoft Intune Service offers the following functionalities. Device configuration. Enables the definition of settings, behavior, and customization for devices. Data protection. Allowing control over access, interaction, and deletion of company data on different devices. App management. Facilitating the deployment of apps and configuration of settings related to applications. Next is the Microsoft Entra ID. Formerly known as Azure Active Directory, Microsoft Entra ID is a cloud-based service designed for identity and access management. It empowers employees within the organization to access external resources such as Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and various other SaaS applications. Additionally, Microsoft Entra ID facilitates entry to internal resources, including applications on the corporate intranet and any cloud apps specifically developed for the organization. Microsoft Entra ID plays a crucial role in identity and access management. Intune relies heavily on Microsoft Entra groups for grouping and targeting purposes. When a device enrolls in Intune, it becomes registered in Microsoft Entra ID. The compliance status is then reported to Microsoft Entra ID. If your conditional access policies include access controls requiring devices to be marked as compliant, conditional access utilizes this compliance status to determine whether to grant or block access to email and other organizational resources. Some other services and solutions that can be integrated with Intune include Intune Suite. Microsoft Intune Suite provides advanced endpoint management security capabilities into Microsoft Intune. It provides advanced endpoint analytics, endpoint privilege management, firmware over-the-air update, Microsoft Tunnel for mobile application management, remote help, and specialized devices management. Next, we have Windows Autopilot. Windows Autopilot comprises a suite of technologies specifically crafted for the setup and pre-configuration of newly acquired devices. Windows Autopilot provides functionalities such as automatically connecting devices to Microsoft Entra ID or Active Directory and automatically enrolling devices into MDM services such as Microsoft Intune. Additionally, existing devices can be swiftly prepared for a new user with Windows Autopilot Reset. The reset capability is also beneficial in break-fix scenarios to rapidly restore a device to a business-ready state. Endpoint Analytics. Endpoint Analytics strives to enhance user productivity and minimize IT support costs by offering insights into the user experience. These insights empower IT to proactively support and optimize the end user experience as well as identify any regressions by assessing the impact of configuration change on users. Intune Data Warehouse. It can be used to access historical and current Intune data through the OData standard. Intune Data Warehouse generates reports offering insights into your enterprise's mobile environment. These reports encompass key metrics such as user enrollment trends in Intune, breakdown of app and operating system versions for a comprehensive review of mobile device statuses, trends in enrollment and device compliance to ensure a seamless rollout of policy updates. Log Analytics. Log Analytics within Intune enable administrators to gather, analyze, and derive valuable insights from logs generated by devices and applications under the management of Microsoft Intune. Intune employs Mobile Threat Defense Connector to establish a communication channel between Intune and the selected mobile threat defense vendor. Intune's MTD partners provide user-friendly, easily deployable applications for mobile devices. These applications actively scan and analyze threat information, which is then shared with Intune. The data collected can be utilized by Intune for either reporting or enforcement purposes. Microsoft Tunnel serves as a VPN gateway solution integrated with Microsoft Intune, operating within a Linux-based container. It facilitates access to on-premises resources from iOS, iPadOS, and Android enterprise devices through modern authentication and conditional access. Access to the VPN server or on-premises network is restricted if the device is not compliant. Co-management allows simultaneously managing of Windows 10 or later devices through both Configuration Manager and Windows Intune. This approach enables the cloud attachment of the organization's existing investment in Configuration Manager, incorporating new functionalities. Utilizing co-management provides the flexibility to choose the technology solution that best suits your organization. Microsoft Entra ID provides authentication and authorization to the users for various apps which can be downloaded from different application stores. Integrating Microsoft Defender for Endpoint with Intune enhances your capacity to recognize and address risks effectively. Security tasks enable seamless communication between Defender or Endpoint and Intune admins about devices at risk, how to remediate them, and confirmation when those risks are mitigated. Network Access Control Partner verify the device's enrollment and compliance status with Intune, determining access control decisions. In the event that a device is not enrolled or lacks compliance, it is redirected to Intune for either enrollment or a compliance check and not allowed to access the on-premises network. The Windows Update service facilitates the downloading and installation of system updates. The Windows Update for Business Deployment service empowers organizations to oversee the deployment of Windows updates. Configuration and reporting can be done by a web console using Graph API. Microsoft Graph is a RESTful web API that enables you to access Microsoft Cloud Service resources. Microsoft Intune offers a comprehensive suite of services and features for advanced endpoint management and security, encompassing key components that contribute to its robustness as an endpoint management solution. I hope you liked the video. For any queries and more of such content, you can contact us at info@encryptionconsulting.com or visit www.encryptionconsulting.com. Thank you.